I have a Husqvarna moment. We're putting a starter, what I call a starter pawl, or starter pulley, in a Husqvarna 562 XP cover. This is my personal 563, what I'll call it. Using, again, genuine Husqvarna parts. I don't know that OEM has made it down the pipe yet, but this says 565, 555, 545, and I don't see the part number. I guess I do too. But anyway, the 565 and 572 are the same. So this is plastic. I was kind of disappointed in this. So the 565 and 572 also have this. 562 has been around a while. It's a super saw. But so what happens if you don't pull this out when you kill the saw? The dogs on the flywheel jump out and they grab that metal pin, which is in plastic, and eventually breaks. So this saw, when I got it, had 161 hours and 1,000 some odd starts. So you think about that, 1,000 starts and your paw's gone. So got some matches here. By the way, steel pulleys destruct too. That's where the little pockets are at where the paws go in. So that one busted. So yeah, steel's bust too. But this is a Husqvarna moment. That's what we're going to call this video. So we've got to take the tension off this. Obviously we're going to have to cut the starter rope. So away we go. Handle comes off. Hold this paw. Let the tension come out of it slowly. Now I'm going to just turn that loose. This will come apart a lot easier and cleaner and neater if you'll do it right like that till it stops. I think this is a 4mm Allen. And I've got my thumb on there in case things fly all to pieces and go haywire. There's our fastener. Give you a look at that so you can see about the size. It's got a washer. Okay, I'm gently rocking this thing to see if it's going to come loose without bringing the spring with it, and it does. So there's you look at that. So this little pocket here is where your knot goes. So we'll try to retain that original knot, the factory knot. Comes out right like that. Okay, I'm going to wind it back up just like the other one. Like so. And then this area right here, your spring, the end of your curled spring will lay right in this area. It does. So I'm going to load load the spring now. I'm actually going the wrong way, I am. So there's a cutout in the spool for the rope to come through to load this thing. I'm going the wrong way with it. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, I should have went ahead and put my fastener in there. I'm going to do that right now. All the while holding tension. 4mm Allen. They say the awesomest guys show their mistakes on video. Man, I ought to be unbelievable then. This may take a try or two. Try or 10. Tension here. I think that's going to get it. Alright. Back through the starter handle. Maybe. There we go. Now I've got my matches close by. I'm going to melt that knot. See if the garage explodes. Nope, got lucky. Alright. And I usually do just a simple double square knot, something like that right there. And let that pop down in there. Okay, we're finished. Husqvarna moment. There we go. Alright everybody, a Husqvarna 572, 565, 555, 562. I believe it also said 545, so I'd say the 550 falls in there also. Thank you for watching.